Hello and welcome to the latest video brought to you by the Knowledge Chest. Have you ever wondered how to keep your PC clean and optimized without much hassle? The answer lies in an application known as CCleaner. This app, free for home use, offers an efficient way to tune up your PC and keep it humming along smoothly. CCleaner's features are vast yet simple to navigate, especially with keyboard commands. To begin, on launching the application, press the Tab key to navigate through the different options available on the interface. The Enter key is your ally for selecting or initiating any function. First stop is the Cleaner feature. It cleans up unwanted files and frees up space on your hard drive. To access this, hit Tab until you reach Cleaner, then press Enter. You can then choose between Windows and Applications by using the Tab key and confirming your selection with Enter. The Registry feature is next. This function scans for and fixes registry errors. Use the Tab key to navigate to Registry and press Enter to initiate a scan. Once the scan is complete, you can fix the issues by pressing Enter. It's recommended to back up your registry before making changes, and CCleaner prompts you to do this. The Tools section is a powerhouse with several functions. It allows you to uninstall programs, manage your startup programs, and even wipe your drive. Again, the Tab and Enter keys are your navigational buddies here. Finally, the Options section. This houses settings for CCleaner and can be accessed using the Tab key. Here, you can customize how CCleaner operates, from setting it to run at startup to choosing which cookies to keep. In summary, CCleaner is a robust, user-friendly application that efficiently cleans and optimizes your PC. Its features, from the Cleaner and Registry functions to the Tools and Options sections, are easily navigable using keyboard commands, making it a breeze to tune up your PC without much hassle. So, why wait? Give your PC the tune-up it deserves with CCleaner. Remember, it's not just about having a clean PC, it's about having an optimized one. With CCleaner, you're always one step ahead.